Welcome to UserAndI, the channel where we explore all things UI and UX design, and today we are critiquing the mobile app by dayuse.com. So this is their sign up screen, and particularly today we're going to be taking a look at their mobile extension drop down. So this view right here is available after this is clicked, so it's a drop down pretty much, and it slides up from the bottom as you can see with this icon here. Now, the first thing that frustrates me is the spacing between these items here. There could be a lot more, especially on mobile, and whilst using this on the weekend, it's very easy to select more than one option because of the lack of spacing between each option on the row. The other thing that frustrated me is that this is actually a search box just here. And I really think the borders and probably a search icon down here would have been a lot more helpful to communicate that. We can see that they've got some distance between the options and the search box itself, but it's really difficult to actually make out that this itself is a search box. I think that could have been a lot better with the border and the icon, and perhaps maybe even a drop shadow, who knows. What do you guys think in the comments below? What else could they have done differently? I'm a big fan of these icons, of these flag icons. That's pretty cool. These are pretty nice. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and we'll catch up on the next episode.